Hey, what is up, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back with another video review. This time we are going to be looking at tempered glass from Skinomi. This is for the 11-inch iPad. Let's check it out. So this company, I used to rock with them back in the day for the Note 4, the Note 5, the tempered glass screens. I really enjoyed the products that they had. And plus, I like the logo. What can I say? Now, this is a tempered glass screen. It is supposed to be one of the best. You can see right here. Specialized tempered glass, super clear transparency, extreme scratch resistant. The list goes on and on. Now, I have not opened this. You see the paper is still sealed. So I have not put this on yet. I have not tried it out, but that's what I'm here today to do. So I'm going to try this on and I'm going to give you my initial impressions. And then, like always, when I put one of these on, I'll come back a couple of days later and I'll let you guys know how I like it. But for now, let's get it open and see what we have on the inside. So I have everything out that we will need. I have the terry cloth to clean the screen. I have alcohol wipes. This is a little scraper they give you to make sure that the screen goes down good without any bubbles. Now, normally with a cell phone, you're gonna get a piece of tape. This is the tape to remove the lint off of your tablet. It's bigger because obviously your screen is bigger. And this is the actual screen right here itself. First thing we're going to do, I've already cleaned this. So the screen is basically pretty clean. I'm going to just get any extra dust and dirt and particles and everything off of it. Then I'm going to turn that screen off just like so. Very important, we're going to use this to get any excess dirt, dust, anything off the screen. So I'm just going to take this and lay it down. Do it over each quadrant of the screen. There we go. And now we are ready to put the glass on. Now, this is the front of the glass. This is the back. This is the top because you have, notice you have your cutout right here for your sensors across the front. What we're going to do now is just line all this up. We're going to peel the back off, line it up, and lay it down. Always hold it with the sides of your fingers. We're going to line it up. Drop it on, just like so. And then it starts to work its own little magic. So we're just gonna help it. We're gonna get those little air bubbles out. Going along those edges. And it basically kind of sealed up on its own. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this terry cloth that we got and I'm going to just basically press out any leftover air bubbles that we can see. They're all right along the edge, so I'm just going to go along the edge, pressing out any air bubbles, sealing it all the way around, and there we have it. iPad 11 with a Skinomi tempered glass screen. Now, the big test. I want to test. There we go. Screen works really well. It's really responsive to my touch. Now, I did one of these before on another screen protector. I'm not going to call the name in this video. I did not like that screen protector because after a couple of days when I came back, it lost the responsiveness to the touch. I'm going to let this one sit a couple of days. I'm going to come back to you guys. I'm going to let you guys know exactly how I feel about it in a few days. But for right now, it's a go for now. So hope this is able to help someone. Remember, this is the Skinomi tempered glass screen for the 2018 iPad Pro. What more can I say? Like I said, I'm coming back in a couple more days just to let you guys know how I feel about it, how the responsiveness is, if I get any lag in it. Apple Pencil works really well. And then after that, I'm going to do some comparisons and some try-ons with some of the cases that I have, just to let you guys know how this tempered glass screen is going to work around the case. So I'll be sure to leave a link below to this screen protector. You can go by Amazon, pick you one up. Like I said, I rocked with Skinomi a long time ago. Note 4, Note 5. I used all their products. They had really good screen protectors, so that's why I decided to go ahead and give them a chance on my iPad. But like I said, the link will be below. Until next time, please subscribe. Please give me that thumbs up. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.